Hello, it's DMV Test Buddy again. Intersections with primary and secondary roads often seem easy, but that's only at first glance. Upon closer inspection, it turns out that much depends not only on who is on the primary and secondary road, but also on the application of the right-of-way rule and other rules. Let's see how quickly you can solve this problem. So look carefully at the screen. In what order will the cars pass? Option A, second, first, third. Option B, first, third, second. Option C, second, third, first. Option D, third, first, second. I'll give you 10 seconds to answer this question. Ready? Then let's figure it out. First, it's important to describe what we see in the picture. The image shows a traffic situation. At the intersection, there is a primary road sign, yellow diamond, with a sign that says direction of primary road. The sign shows that the main road runs from bottom to top and left, lines 2 and 1. While the right-hand line, where car number 3 is a secondary road with a yield requirement, the yield sign. Car number 2, gray, and car number 1, dark blue, are on the main road. Car number 3, green, is on the secondary road and must yield to all vehicles on the main road, including a tram, if there were one. When several vehicles have the same priority, the right-of-way rule applies. Car number 2 has no right-of-way. There is no one on its right. Car number 1 has a right-of-way, that's car number 2. Therefore, car number 1 yields to car number 2. As for car number 3, the green car is on a secondary road and must yield to both car number 2 and car number 1. Accordingly, it will only proceed after them. The final driving sequence is option A, second, first, third. So, confess who among you got the answer right quickly. Let's discuss the situation in the comments.